How to one shot every tank in War Thunder Mobile? So there are some legit ways where you can maximize your damage and dramatically increase your chances of killing tanks in one or two shots using normal gameplay. These are some of the tips. So first of all, what you want to do is know the weak spot of those tank, and then once you know the weak spot, you will be able to get faster kills and catastrophic kills. For many tanks, ammo racks on the rear side and crew engine modules give instant or catastrophic kills. Pick up the right ammunition. So once you pick up the right ammunition with high penetration rounds, heat, and a more powerful weapon, then use premium rounds for guaranteed pain when you need it. Also conserve them. So once you go ahead and then select more powerful options, you'll be getting more faster kills, also instant kills. Also make a good angle and range movement in order to get those kills. So no, don't engage in heavy frontal armor unless you can get hull down or hit a known weak spot. Also use mobility and positioning. Keep on positioning properly. So once you keep on positioning properly, then you'll be able to get more clear view of the tank and you'll be able to shoot more faster. So know the battle mode differences. Arcade and penetration are more forgiving. Also use combined arms when possible. So airstrikes, artillery, or allied tanks can stun or soften targets that finish with a clean shot. So those were your tips. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.